guys, it's Cindy from Jackson County Public Library, Crothersville branch. And for November's Curious Kids, we are going to make butter so we can add some butter to our bread or our yeast roast for Thanksgiving. What you need is a jar with a lid, 2 marbles, a little bit of salt, and some heavy whipping cream. Okay, you can't do soy. It's got to be dairy. It's got to be milk, because we're going to take the fat from the milk, and that's what makes our butter. Okay, so we're going to fill our jar halfway full. Before you do this, I would probably set your milk out for about 5 minutes before you do it, because it does a little bit better. Put your 2 marbles in and a pinch of salt to salt your butter. You don't want very much. Or you can wait till afterwards and make like cinnamon butter, like Roadhouse has, and you shake it. Just like a kid shake, 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 shake it all over. It normally takes about 10-15 minutes for it to all separate. When you shake it, the liquid will come from the fat. The fat is what makes our milk, or our butter. That's what makes it heavy, and it separates. You can start seeing it separate from there. And you just keep shaking it, shake it. When you don't hear the marbles move, like in this one, then you've got some butter. See how thick it is? You just take your scoop of knife, and you've got butter. The fat from it, and you've got butter, so you'll be ready to eat your rolls and everything. Then if it starts separating again, you could just shake it. But see, it's thick because you can't hardly hear the marbles. You can't hear the marbles. So it's already separated. But that's how you make butter. And it's really easy, fun to make. The kids can make it for their grandparents for Thanksgiving, or they can make it for all their friends and family. And it's really fun for them to do. Again, it's Cindy from Jackson County Library, and we are making butter. Thank you.